Hello students, how are you all? Today our subject is English. Poem number 2, Home Sweet Home. You all know that this is revision. We have learned hard words. We have learned meanings. Okay? So poem 2, Home Sweet Home. We are doing revision. We have started revision. Okay? So what we will learn today, you know? Yes. We will revise for hard words, meanings. Okay? Then we will learn fill in the blanks and true or false. This is also revision. Okay? So today we will revise all this. Last lecture we have done hard words and meanings. And this time we will revise fill in the blanks or true or false. Okay? So all revision will come today. Understood? Yes. What will come first? Hard words, meanings, fill in the blanks and true or false. Okay? Are you ready for this? Yes children. Now see. Hard words. See one number hard words. H-O-M-E. Home. H-O-M-E. Home. Number 2 is S-T-I-C-K-S. Sticks. Number 3 M-U-D, mud. M-U-D, mud. Number 4, B-L-O-C-K-S, blocks. B-L-O-C-K-S, blocks. Number 5, stories. S-T-O-R-E-Y-S, stories. You know stories? Yes, we have learned in the last lecture. Stories means floors in a building. Number 6, under. U-N-D-E-R, under. Number 7, ocean. O-C-E-A-N, ocean. Number 8, windmill. W-I-N-D-M-I-L-L, windmill. Number 9, above. A-B-O-V-E, above. Number 10, chimney. C-H-I-M-N-E-Y, chimney. Understood? Number 11, safe. S-A-F-E, safe. Number 12, sound. S-O-U-N-D, sound. Yes, sound it is. You also know it, sound. Number 13, family. F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. 14, friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. Number 15, adore. A-D-O-R-E, adore. Okay, now see we have learned this in last lecture also. We have revised this. Okay, see number 1 again I am telling. Now you can speak with me. Okay students? H-O-M-E, home. Number 2, S-T-I-C-K-S, sticks. M-U-D, mud. M-U-D, mud. Number 4, B-L-O-C-K-S, blocks. B-L-O-C-K-S, blocks. Number 5, stories. S-T-O-R-E-Y-S, stories. Number 6, under. U-N-D-E-R, under. Number 7, O-C-E-A-N, ocean. Number 8, windmill. W-I-N-D-M-I-L-L, windmill. Number 9, above. A-B-O-V-E, above. Number 10, C-H-I-M-N-E-Y, chimney. You also know that chimney, yes, it is a passage. Okay, to let the smoke out. Number 11, S S-A-F-E, safe. 12. Sound, S-O-U-N-D, sound. Number 13. Family, F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. Number 14. Friends, F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. Number 15. A-D-O-R-E, adore, A-D-O-R-E, adore. Okay, now you all have read this, no? Yes, you have to learn these hard words, so it will be helpful to read the poem. Okay, yes. Now see your meaning. See, now I have only written the words. Now you first have to tell. This is your revision, no? B-L-O-C-K-S, blocks. What is blocks? I showed you. Yes, in the last lecture we have seen. B-L-O-C-K-S, blocks. What is blocks? Can you remember this? It is large solid pieces. L-A-R-G-E, large. S-O-L-I-D, solid pieces. P-I-E-C-E-S, pieces. Blocks, B-L-O-C-K-S, blocks, large solid pieces. Do you remember this? Blocks, large solid pieces. Blocks, large. See, large, you have to learn the spelling also. L-A-R-G-E, large. Solid, S-O-L-I-D, solid pieces. P-I-E-C-E-S, pieces. Okay, large solid pieces. Understood? Now number 2, windmill. You all know that what is windmill. What is windmill? Windmill, a machine. A machine. A machine. M-A-C-H-I-N-E, machine. You have to learn the spelling. Understood? Windmill, machine. M-A-C-H-I-N-E, machine. Understood? Yes. Now see again. Blocks, large solid pieces. Windmill, a machine. See again, I am doing blocks. What is blocks? Large solid pieces. Large solid pieces. L-A-R-G-E, large. S-O-L-I-D, solid. P-I-E-C-E-S, pieces. Okay. Windmill. You all know this. Can you answer? Windmill. Can you answer? Yes. Very good. Those who have given the answer. A machine. A machine. Okay. A machine. Yes. Now see. Sound. Number 3. Sound. What is the meaning of sound? You all know this. Sound. What is the meaning of sound? In good conditions. In good conditions. Number 4. Adore. Adore. What is you? You all know this answer. Yes. Can you answer me? Adore. What is adore? Love. L-O-V-E. Love. Okay. Adore. Love. See, now again we will do these two meanings. 3. Number 3. Sound. S-O-U-N-D. Sound. What is the meaning? In good condition. In I-N. In G-O-O-D. Good. C-O-N-D-I-T-I-O-N-S. Conditions. in good conditions. Okay. Number 4. Adore. A-D-O-R-E. Adore. What is the meaning here, adore? L-O-V-E, love. Adore, love. Okay. Now you all have understood meanings. Now fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. You all know what you have to write here. Yes, see, I am reading. You also have to read with me. A home can be made of sticks and, yes, a home can be made of sticks and, what will be the answer? You all know the spelling also. Okay. A home can be made of sticks and, what will be the answer? Sticks and mud. See the spelling of mud. M-U-D. Mud. Okay. A home can be made of sticks and mud. A home can be made of sticks and mud. Understood? You all know this. A home can be made of sticks and mud. Understood? See number 1. A home. H-O-M-E. Home. C-N. Can. B-E. M-A-D. Made. O-F. Of. Sticks. S-T-I-C-K-S. Sticks. A-N-D. And. M-U-D. Mud. A home can be made of sticks and mud. Okay, students? Yes, you all are doing well. You all are answering, no? You are doing homework, no? So you will be know the answer. Okay? So this is your revision, no? So you all will be knowing this. See again. A home can be made of sticks and mud. See the spelling of mud. Now see, I am erasing this. Yes, what you have to write? Can you answer? What you have to write? A home can be made of sticks and, yes, you all know the answer. Mud. M-U-D. Mud. A home can be made of sticks and mud. Understood? Now see. Number 2. A dash. See here, there is a blank. You all know that you have to write the answer in this blank. A dash can have a windmill above. A dash, see, a dash means blank, can have a windmill above. You all know what can have a windmill above. Yes, last time I showed you windmill picture. Okay. So what can have a windmill above? You all know the answer. A dash can have a windmill above. See windmill spelling. W-I-N-D-M-I-L-L. Windmill. Above. A-B-O-V-E. Above. A dash can have a windmill above. What will be the answer? Answer is home. H-O-M-E. Home. See number 2. A home, HOME, home can have a windmill above. You all know this? A home can have a windmill above. Yes, you all read with me. Yes, a home can have a windmill above. Very good, those who are reading. See again. A home can have a windmill above. Okay. Now see number 3. A home can be under the. You all know the answer. I am right. Okay. You all know the answer. You all are good. You all are doing homework, no? Yes. So, you have read this poem? So, a home can be under the. Where it can be under the? Ocean. See the spelling of ocean. O-C-E-A-N. Ocean. O-C-E-A-N. Ocean. A home can be under the ocean. Okay? A home can be under the ocean. See how I am writing. Now you have to answer me. A dash can have a windmill above. A home can have a windmill above. Number 3. A home can be under the. Where it can be under the? Yes, you all know the answer. A home can be under the ocean. Very good. You all know the answer. See the spelling. This way you are to write. Okay? O-C-E-A-N. Ocean. Okay? Understood now? Yes. See now. Number 4. A home can have a dash. A blank. Your blank is given. On its side. A home can have a. What can it have on the side? What can it have on the side? Yes, home can have what? On its side. Yes, you have seen the picture also last lecture. A home can have a chimney on its side. Very good, those who have answered. See the spelling of chimney. C-H-I-M-N-E-Y. Chimney. On its side. A home can have a chimney on its side. Understood? A home. See now I will read, you also have to read. A home can have a chimney on its side. See the spelling chimney. C-H-I-M-N-E-Y. chimney. See now number 5. You can be safe. S-A-F-E. S-A-F-E. Safe and sound in a. You can be safe and sound in a home. H-O-M-E. Home. Okay. You can be safe and sound in a home. Have you understood this? Okay. See now again we will do this. Number 4. A home can have a chimney on its side. Number 5. You can be safe and sound. S-O-U-N-D. Sound in a home. H-O-M-E. Home. You can be safe and sound in a home. Okay. See again. You can be safe and sound in a home. Y-O-U-C-A-N. Can. B-E-B-S-A-F-E. Safe. A-N-D. And. S-O-U-N-D. Sound in a home. H-O-M-E. Home. Okay, children. Now you have learned FB. FB means fill in the blanks. You have learned this. Okay. So now today what we will do? We will learn also true or false. This is your revision. Second time we are repeating. Okay. We are revising this so that you will be able to learn and write correctly and give answer correctly. Okay. True or false? True or false? Say number 1. A home, H-O-M-E, home can be made of sticks and mud. A home can be made of sticks and mud. What will be the answer? You have to write true or false here. Is it true or it is false? If the sentence is correct, the answer is true. If the sentence is wrong, the answer is false. Yes, we have learned this in fill in the blanks. A home can be made of sticks and mud. So this sentence is true. T-R-U-E. True. Understood? Number 2. A home can be two. C-T-W-O-2. Stories. S-T-O-R-E-Y-S. Stories tall. A home can be 2 stories tall. It can be 2 stories tall or more than 2 stories. Yes, you all know that. A home can be 2 stories tall. It can be only 2 stories or more than 2. Can it be only 2 or more than 2? Come on. You all know the answer. Yes, so what will write here? True or false? This sentence is wrong, no? This sentence is wrong. So what we have to write? False. F-A-L-S-E. False. Okay, see number 1. A home can be made of sticks and mud. It is true. Number 2. A home can be 2 stories tall. tall. A home can be 2 stories tall. So this sentence is false. F-A-L-S-E, false. You all have learned this too? True or false? Yes. This is your revision now. So you all be knowing this. A home can be made of sticks and mud. That is true. A home can be 2 stories tall. This sentence is false. Okay? See now. Number 1. A home can be made of sticks and mud. This sentence is, you all know the answer. Sentence is true. Number 2. A home can be 2 stories tall. The sentence is false. Okay? So you have learned this 1 and 2. True or false? Okay. Now see, we will learn number 3. A home can be under the ocean. A home can be under the ocean. It can be under the ocean. Yes or no? It can be under the ocean. Is it true? See again, I am reading. A home can be under the ocean. O-C-E-A-N, ocean. The sentence is true. Okay, the sentence is correct. So what we have to write here? It is under the ocean, no? See again. A home can be under the ocean. So this sentence is true. It is correct, no? T-R-U-E, true. A home can be under the ocean. It is true. Number 4. You can be safe and sound in a forest. Number 4 is, you can be safe and sound in a forest. This sentence is wrong? Yes. Why? We are not safe in the forest. We are safe at our home. Yes, in the forest there are wild animals. Okay? So we are not safe at home in the forest. You can be safe and sound in a forest. So that sentence is false. F-A-L-S-E, false. You can be safe and sound in a forest. So false. Okay, children? Now you have learned this. True or false? Yes. So, see again we will do this 3 and 4. A home can be under the ocean. It is true. Number 4. You can be safe and sound in a forest. Sentence is false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Okay, children? Yes. Now see here. Best performance in homework done. See? Those who are doing homeworks now. So this time who have done homework? Yes. Standard 1. Who have done this homework? Asarya Muntazir. He has done homework. He is very regular in doing homework. Okay? So, Asarya Muntazir. He is very, very good in writing homework. Doing every day he is doing homework. He is regular in homework. So, you all have to do your homework properly, no? Yes. See? Whose name is this? Asarya Muntazir. Many. Okay. Yes. Congratulations to you, Asarya Muntazir. He is doing, see here, he is doing homework every day and he is sending his homework also. Okay. So, Best performance in homework done is Asaria Muntasir. Now you all will also do homework, no? So your name will also come. Okay? Yes. So thank you for doing your work. Okay? Write properly, be safe at home, and don't disturb your parents.